This Nashville Hot Tofu Sandwich might be the best vegan sandwich you'll ever make, and it's not even deep fried. Crispy baked tofu gets drizzled with hot oil, dusted with spices, and topped with slaw and a soft bun, making it a crowd pleaser and not just with vegans. To start, quickly boil extra firm tofu in salt water. Trust me, I cook a lot of tofu, and this trick infuses flavor deep into the tofu, not just on the outside. Make the hot oil by mixing Frank's and brown sugar until the sugar is dissolved. Then mix in garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, grapeseed oil, and melted butter. Mix half of this hot oil with a bit of cornstarch. Then dip the tofu into the mixture, coat it with panko breadcrumbs, give it a quick oil spray, and bake until crispy and golden brown. While the tofu bakes, make the slaw with green cabbage, red onion, lemon juice, parsley, salt, and pepper to taste. Then make that magic spice dust with paprika, nutritional yeast, cayenne, and salt. Drizzle the rest of the hot oil over the crispy tofu, sprinkle with the spice dust, then build your sandwich and dig in.